Welcome back, everybody. Okay, I think all of us are a little sleepy today from being woken up by that heavy rain overnight. And we know that a lot of people's rain gauges are now full. So a little lack of sleep, but a little pro with a lot of rain.
And in many places, it was our wettest day of the year.
Wow.
Which is incredible, given that May is usually our wettest month of the year. And here we are in June, our third wettest month of the year, but still getting some heavy downpours. Now, it came with problems at first. This will be good news eventually when it comes to our drought, though, with still some areas dealing with drought. Rainfall amounts were lowest in the northern hill country, where parts of Lampasas County has not had rain in the last 24 hours. Northern San Saba County, ½ an inch. Then you can see how the amounts really ramped up as that cold front drew in those thunderstorms that really slowed down as they moved into parts of the hill country in the Austin metro. You can see near Kingsland there, more than 4 inches. Parts of Blanco County in the city of Blanco there, more than 5.5 inches. The metro totals ramped up as well from northern Williamson County, about 1.5 inches, to Austin's Camp Mabry, 3¼ inches of rain. And then the amounts actually got lower farther south as the storms picked up the pace. And then into our eastern counties, anywhere from just over 1 inch to almost 4 inches there in parts of Milam County. Officially at Austin's Camp Mabry, at least preliminary amounts, 3.24 inches of rain. This makes it easily our wettest day of the year. This is actually the 8th wettest June day ever in Austin area history, with data that goes back to the late 1800s. We have seen some rises in Lake Travis. It's up about 1 foot over the last week. Lake Buchanan's just up a little bit. It was already pretty close to full. 1020 is full, by the way. And you can see how rain chances continue over the next week, and we'll be talking about that here in a second. On KXAN.com, if you're interested to see how much rain fell over your neighborhood or your friend's neighborhood or another part of Central Texas, you can zoom in on these rainfall reports there. KXAN.com. You can also get to the link in our main weather forecast story if you're interested. All right, back to the Fairmont Austin camera with a mostly cloudy sky, only a few showers left. Interestingly, statewide, as our cold front has slipped southeast of us, that's where the focus is for heavier rain, and especially down in South Texas, even heavier rain there. That's because this tropical moisture is coming up against that cold front that's squeezing out the downpours. But we have something else at play too. A broad area of low pressure over Mexico is expected to move out over the Gulf, and it now has a 50% chance of becoming a tropical depression or stronger as it sort of hugs the Texas Gulf Coast. This is going to help to keep the rain and storms going, especially for coastal areas, but it's also going to mean that we may see a few showers and storms redevelop as we head through the day tomorrow. This is the expected track of that low as we get into Tuesday morning. Here we are, heaviest rain closer to the low, but there'll still be some showers and storms thrown our way at times on Tuesday. Then as we get into Wednesday, as that low pulls away, it's going to take the rain with it. So Wednesday looks to be a much drier day for us, with rain chances down near 10% or so. And then as that low pulls away even more, Thursday looks to be a completely dry day. With the loss of daytime heating today, though, we'll lose some of the showers that we have around now. 20% nighttime rain chance. That's once the sun sets, which this time of year is a little after 8:30. So it's not completely dry tonight, but it is drier than last night, that's for sure. Overnight low is getting down to 72. 40% rain chance here tomorrow, especially east of I-35. Otherwise, it's a mostly cloudy to partly sunny day. Temperatures heading for 86 degrees. The flash flooding threat is much lower tomorrow, but it's not 0. It's a 1 out of 4 for the metro and a 2 out of 4 for our eastern counties. You can actually see at the far bottom right of your screen, it jumps up to a 3 out of 4. Closer to the coast, more tropical downpours and more frequent tropical downpours too. So how much additional rain could we see by tomorrow night? Rainfall amounts will be lowest in the hill country, farther away from that tropical low. In the metro and most of our eastern counties, we could see another 1/4 inch to ½ inch, perhaps as high as 1 inch. But the area most likely to see an additional inch or more would be Fayette County and far southeastern Bastrop and Lee counties. So those rain chances go way down for Wednesday. Thursday looks dry. Then a separate storm system approaching us from the north-northeast with another weak cold front that may not fully push into the area. is going to ramp up the rain and storm coverage again Friday, Saturday, and possibly into Sunday. But with tropical downpours a possibility, therefore flash flooding is going to be another possibility here as we end the week and head into the weekend. Here's how it looks on our first warning weather 7-day forecast. So 80s tomorrow with some scattered showers and a few storms around. Low 90s Wednesday, mid 90s on a much drier Thursday. And then the temperatures start to come down a bit as we get wetter again. 93 Friday with a 40% rain chance. Saturday has a slightly higher rain chance. And then Sunday's mostly dry, and we're back to dry on Monday.